In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to view changes and the activity log in Smartsheet so you can track edits, monitor user activity, and maintain accountability across your project. First, open the Smartsheet item you want to review. This can be a sheet, report, or dashboard. Next, click the three-dot menu located in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Activity Log. Once the activity log opens, you'll see a detailed history of actions taken within that item. This includes changes to cells, row additions or deletions, attachment uploads, sharing updates, and other important activities. Each entry includes information about who made the change, what was changed, and when it occurred, making it easy to track project activity. If you're looking for specific information, use the available filters to narrow the results by date range, user, or activity type. You can also export the activity log if you need to save the records, share them with others, or use them for auditing and reporting purposes. Review the activity log regularly to stay informed about changes and ensure your team remains aligned. That's it. You've successfully learned how to view changes and the activity log in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.